spending too much time tax filming by yourself.
Think filing your taxes in Canada is free? Well, think again. Most of these DIY tax filing systems often start off as free and easy to file, but have additional fees that are charged over to the client as you take advantage of medical expenses, RSP contributions. So 3 things for you to think about before using the systems is that it's often sold to you as free, but most often have additional charges for you to take advantage of credits and deductions. The second point is that most often you overlook deductions and credits that you could be taking advantage of before you file your taxes. And the third point is that the confidence of knowing that your tax return is 100% correct by having a tax professional by your side. So before you use those systems and go through the stress, make sure you book a call with our team where we're able to look through your case and find the best way to minimize your taxes and maximize your deductions.